Welcome, class. Let's get dramatic. Today we're going to be talking about how to create your own acting resume.
All right, superstars, we've chosen our characters, memorized our lines, and warmed up our bodies. But what happens when the director asks for your resume? You can't hand them a crumpled up paper with soda stains on it and a stick figure drawing of yourself. But what if that's all I have? Fear not, because today we have an expert returning to help us turn this into a masterpiece. Everyone, let's head back out to the stage for James. He's the professional actor we met last time.
Welcome. My goal today is to help you create a one-page power sheet. This needs to be clear, professional, and easy to read. Use a simple font, and as you are starting, it is fine to include your picture on the front page of your resume. As time goes on and your resume fills up, you will want to get a professional headshot taken and print your resume on the back of it. Start with your name, big and bold. Now, here is the most important rule for those of you who are under 18. Safety first. Do not include your own number or email on your resume.
My mom says I can't put my phone number on my resume. I guess she was right.
She is. You need to include your parents' or guardian's name and contact information. Directors will contact them, not you. It's an extra layer of safety and professionalism.
If you're auditioning at a school, they may not need this information if the school already has it. Make sure the email address is appropriate.
Next is your experience section. If you are a lead in the middle school play, list that. If you are ensemble in the community musical, list that too.
What if I don't know some of the information?
That's okay. If you don't know some information, like a show name or year, try to look it up. If you can't, that is okay. List it anyway. As you continue your acting journey, it is best to write things down as you do them.
What if I can't think of anything and my list is completely blank? Have you ever done a class pantomime, puppet show, or improv game before or after school drama classes, drama club? If so, write those down. Every little performance counts. I have done some Halloween Readers Theater performances at the library.
That's actually perfect. We all have our humble beginnings. Your directors will expect it. Don't worry. But if you still need to fill up that resume, just look at the next section, training. It is crucial for young actors to show they are working on their acting knowledge. List those drama classes from school, any private voice or acting lessons, and summer camp workshops. It shows you're serious about your craft. Next up, your skills section is where you show off your versatility, but what you list depends on the audition. For straight play auditions, focus on things like dialects, British, Southern, etc. Stage combat, improv, or special physical skills like juggling or acrobatics. These help the director see your range. For music auditions, you must list your vocal range. Directors need to know right away if you can hit those notes.
But what if I don't know my vocal range? No problem. Go to my website linked below, letsgetdramatic.com. I have easy guides and links to help you figure out your exact vocal range, even explain things like what a 32 bar cut means for your sheet music.
And Becky, remember, only list skills you are actually proficient at. If you put expert tap dancer on your resume, be ready to tap dance. If you do tap dance but you're just a beginner, make sure to mark down that you are just a beginner. That way the director has those expectations for you.
Now, James, what happens when our amazing student actors turn 18 and move into the professional audition realm?
Core template stays the same, but here are key revisions you'll make. Contact info. You'll replace your parent guardian's information with your own professional contact information. If you get an agent, you replace your info with their contact details. With training, you will start listing college degrees in reverse chronological order and focus on higher level workshops. You'll drop most of the middle school, high school training. And for experience, you will cut early roles like ensemble middle school play. You will only keep the strongest, most impressive credits that fit that role from your college, regional, or professional career.
Here's a pro tip. When you start getting a lot of roles, you can begin creating different acting portfolios.
That's right. A Disney villain resume will be very different from a romantic comedy resume. You will eventually get so many parts that you can tailor your resume to the specific type of role you are looking for.
I recommend you keep that resume for that style of role in a folder. A villain folder, a leading man folder, a sci-fi folder, along with the specific monologues or songs you've prepared for that type of character. That way, when you're auditioning for any villain role, you can pull out your folder that is your villain folder. Give them that focused resume and fall back on that specific acting style. So you'll have your audition pieces and your song pieces in that folder, and you can reuse different audition pieces for similar types of characters. On that note, just double check that your director isn't the same director you auditioned with that same piece with. They want to see something new from you, and showing versatility to that same director will help you get the part.
One last quick note. No matter how well you know a song or a monologue, always practice every audition piece before each audition. That's how you hone your skills and double check your memorization every single time.
And there you have it. Thanks to James, you now know how to polish your paperwork and make a resume that gets you noticed. No matter your age, remember, it's a living document, so you keep it updated with every new role. All right, amazing actors, good luck with your auditions. And remember to check my website linked below for any additional help that you need. And there are more videos, guides, and links to different recommended audition pieces.
Teachers, please like and share so I can continue making content.
It is good to list it just to make sure you put it down that it is a beginning. What the heck did I just say?
Let me look back at my notes. It's kind of been a long day.